The Sex Pistols' controversial song God Save the Queen is the biggest-selling single of the day as music fans go crazy over the Platinum Jubilee weekend. It was originally released by the band in 1977 to coincide with the Queen's Silver Jubilee celebrations that year, reaching number 2 on the official UK singles chart at the time. The track however was given a special reissue yesterday, June 3, amid the latest milestone by the monarch, with it hoped that it may finally get to top the charts this time. The original was banned by the BBC at the time but reached number 1 on the UK's NME chart, despite not securing the same position on the official UK singles chart. It led to accusations that the song was purposely kept off the top spot and, for the only time in chart history, the track was listed as a blank, to avoid offence to the establishment. If the reissued song maintains its sales then it could claim the top spot next week, with today interestingly marking 45 years to the day that it was kept off the summit. The band's guitarist Steve Jones, 66, previously said of the 1977 song, "I've never had any connection to the monarchy, to be honest. It meant nothing to me, still does it." Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. He continued, "So to me it was just a laugh, it was a giggle. I didn't realize it would offend a lot of English people. They took it personally. It was a stab against the Queen." And he further commented previously, "Times have changed. In my 60s, I'm like a monk now. But also, things are still the same. That's the way it's designed." The song, which takes its title from the UK's national anthem, had been the punk band's second single, with it remaining their highest-performing release to date. The special reissue of God Save the Queen is out now. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.